What's up, guys? Today I'm going to sit back, take a little break, and let some other creators do the heavy lifting. I'm going to highlight 5 Final Cut Pro tutorials here on YouTube that I think you need to check out if you missed them. What I love about these tutorials is that they have no paid plugins. Let's start with the first one, which is Master Stabilization from Dylan John. In this video, Dylan explains how Final Cut Stabilization works so you can pick the best settings for your video. He shows you some editing hacks to improve stabilization, but he also explains best practices in the field so you can get better and predictable results in Final Cut Pro, including some physical moves and some camera settings. This video about Final Cut Stabilization is super informative and extremely useful. Bonus points for Dylan's little caterpillar animation here. I hope he made that in Apple Motion. All right, let's talk about the next tutorial I know you need to see, which is called Stunning Shutter Transitions Without Plugins in Final Cut from King Tut's Pro. This one's a really quick tutorial and it only uses native effects to Final Cut Pro. King Tut's Pro uses the retiming tools and then stacks multiple effects to achieve this look. What I really like about this particular effect is that it feels like it really belongs organically between these two clips. Sometimes when you have a really fun, cool transition, it does sort of feel like it's sort of stuck in your video, like added on, slapped on, whereas this transition definitely has an effect, definitely looks cool, but definitely feels very organic to the video. Do you know what I'm saying? All right, let's talk about the next tutorial I know you need to see, which is better audio ducking from Ripple Training. Steve Martin is killing it in this video. Normally when I do audio ducking in Final Cut, I do it through keyframes or I use the range selection tool to duck down my audio levels. But in this tutorial, Steve shows you 2 different ways to audio duck that are a lot faster than the methods that I've been using and that you've probably been using. Definitely a must watch. Thank you so much, Steve. All right, the next tutorial I think you need to see is Top 5 Music Video Effects in Final Cut from Surge M. In this video, Surge uses 5 different effects using just good, solid editing technique. Many of these effects would work in other projects besides music videos, in my opinion. And for me, I really like this simple but effective camera whip transition. Surge just uses keyframes and effects native to Final Cut to make a lot of really interesting looks. Definitely gave me a lot of ideas. And the last tutorial you need to see is from the other Dylan here on YouTube that talks about Final Cut, Dylan Bates, and this one is the crazy easy text fly-through animation in Final Cut Pro. In this video, Dylan uses the Ken Burns tool over text, which I never thought to use the Ken Burns tool on text. So I really kind of liked that he showed me something totally new. And he does use a third-party plugin in this tutorial, but it's a freebie from Alex4D, which he links to down in the description. I want to thank all of these creators for all of their awesome tutorials here on YouTube. I learned so much from watching all of them. I will link to all of these videos down below, but if you've happened to see all of them already, I'll put some of mine right here you might want to check out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you again.